Hello everyone, welcome back to Wondershare FamiSafe. Today we are here to talk about ChatGPT and how it might have a bad impact on young children. If you've been active on the internet, you may have already read dozens of articles on ChatGPT and its influence on the future. However, no one's addressing the disguise hidden in the blessing and how ChatGPT may not be the best companion for young kids. So today we'll dive deep into ChatGPT's impact on your young children and how you can help them use this AI platform the right way. So tap on that subscribe button down below and let's head right into our video. What's ChatGPT? Now, before we go into the details, let's first get familiar with ChatGPT itself. It's simply an AI-based chatbot that uses advanced algorithms, mainly OpenAI's GPT-3 language models, to generate accurate and human-like responses to used queries. In the real world, ChatGPT's applications are endless. Programmers can use it to find relevant codes for their programs, and teachers can use it to find relevant essays on a particular topic. And one can even use it to kill time by talking to a computer program that's actually generating human-like responses. However, many people don't understand the downsides of an AI-driven technology such as ChatGPT. Many experts are even calling it a blessing in a disguise. For children, ChatGPT can easily become another cyber threat due to its endless applications. How? Let's find out. Why should parents worry about ChatGPT? ChatGPT is available to the masses for free. There are no premium charges, and anyone who has access to the internet can sign up with ChatGPT. The biggest threat with this open source nature of the platform is unguided usage. Your kids may create their account with ChatGPT and use it without any guidance for several purposes. Here are a few reasons why parents should worry about their kids using ChatGPT. A platform like ChatGPT can damage a kid's critical thinking and suppress cognitive development. During the early years of a kid's life in a school, they are given homework to develop their critical thinking and prepares them for the life ahead. With access to ChatGPT, a kid doesn't have to solve the problems on their own. They can simply use the platform to complete their homework and never learn anything whatsoever. Since ChatGPT heavily relies on data driven from the internet, its accuracy can never be 100% guaranteed on a particular topic. It means if your kids use it for research purposes, they may never get the complete information and lack real knowledge. Another biggest drawback of using ChatGPT is that your kids may get exposure to violent and sexually explicit content. No doubt, ChatGPT is a safe platform, but since it uses a learning model to acquire new knowledge, it can easily produce content that may not be appropriate for children. How to stop kids from abusing ChatGPT? So that's how ChatGPT can influence your kids in a bad way. As a parent, it is your responsibility to ensure your young ones don't abuse this AI-driven platform. To do this, here are a few tips you can follow to protect them from the harmful effects of an AI platforms such as ChatGPT. Assist your kids with their homework. The easiest way to ensure your kids don't use ChatGPT or any other AI-driven platform unethically is to assist them with their homework. The most common application of ChatGPT in a kid's life is to get their homework done as soon as possible. So if you sit with your kids during their homework, you'll be able to monitor the process and ensure they don't unnecessarily use platforms like ChatGPT. Teach your kids to embrace creativity. Creativity is the key to develop critical thinking and come up with new ideas. Instead of letting your kids use shortcuts, teach them how to develop creative thinking and solve challenges on their own. Not only it will help them solve their problems by themselves, but it will also lead to character development that will help them in the longer run. Have a few clear rules in the house. Raising a kid is nerve-wracking, and having a few strict rules will always work in your favor. Let your children know what is not acceptable and make sure they follow these rules. Keep in mind that it's not always necessary to be hard on your kids. You can impose a few rules by being polite and nice as well. To do this, all you need is a great communication with them so they understand your perspective easily. Teach your kids about cyber threats and online safety. We all know that the internet and everything that comes with it has their own benefits and drawbacks. So, as a parent, it's necessary to educate your kids regarding different cyber threats and how to use the internet safely. You should also tell your kids how unsafe it can be to share their personal information with strangers and why they should avoid it in every situation. Ban Chat GPT with a parental control solution like FamiSafe. Finally, if you don't want your children to use Chat GPT whatsoever, it will be better to use a tool like FamiSafe to block it from their devices. FamiSafe allows parents to block certain apps and dangerous websites on their devices. You can even set screen time usage limits to ensure your kids don't spend too many hours on their phones and do other activities that are useful in their overall growth. So that wraps up our guide on ChatGPT and its harmful effects on the children. It's worth understanding that ChatGPT is simply like any other technical revolution that has its own perks and disadvantages. The way one uses ChatGPT decides whether they will reap its benefits or become a failure. Younger children, unfortunately, don't know how to set limits when it comes to tools like ChatGPT, and that's why it's necessary to impose some guidance so that they don't misuse it unnecessarily. So if you found this video enjoyable, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below. And to see more updates from FamiSafe in the future, make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any future updates. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye!